I love you more than anything in this world. You are the most amazing, intelligent, resilient, kind, and most importantly, beautiful person inside and out. And I'm the luckiest man in this world to even have the opportunity to be a part of your life and date you.
Honestly, just to feel you here beside me.
Over 10 years ago, as a freshman in college, I asked you to walk to class with me, and today I get to ask you to be my wife. So if you would do me that honor, to make you the luckiest man on this face of the earth.
I've loved you right from the start.
Will you marry me, sweetheart?
I've loved you right from the start. I've loved you right